Okay, another episode of Sick Science with Mrs. Gibson. Today, the items that you will need are a small plate and a syringe, a glass of water, and if you wish, you could also have a glass of water with some food colouring in. You will also need one coin, or you might like to try this with all different sorts of coins. Okay, for today's Sick Science experiment, we're going to see how many drops of water will fit on top of this 5-cent coin. I want you to predict how many you think will fit. And then we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, so it's 38 before it went over. What I'd like you to do is go to the website and find out why so many drops of water fit on there and post your answer and tell me why. You can also have a go at this experiment yourself. So here's the website to go to. If you then tap experiments and drops on a penny, you'll be able to read up about it and find out about the science behind it.